What your dad do for a living? Yeah.
My dad.
Your boy. Oh yeah, your dad gave the batter for you. I don't know. I don't know.
My dad works at the private airport in Bullhead. Makes $20 an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Go ahead, huh? Go ahead. Hey, as I always say, bully for head anywhere. Okay. Back to the hot teacher.
Yeah, that's good.
Now we can put some clothes on. Okay.
I have clothes on.
God, you look really cute. You look really cute. I would have you as my daughter, mother, or wife.
What?
Either one. Daughter, mother, or wife. That's a hell of a compliment. But never a widow. Come on, Dad. We're leaving.
I'm going with you.
Of course.
Okay, I didn't know.
Oh, you know, I thought you wanted to say. I'm just kidding. You're the star, Dad. You're the star.
You're the star of the show.
I think I want you to dress Elvis.
Nobody.
I wish this video.
What is that?
Elvis.
Elvis?
Elvis.
Elvis.
Hey, you're freezing. Yeah, Mama. Climax. Oh, his new name is Climax. Make a name for. No, stop.
Hey, come on.
Go.
Go. Lay down.
I didn't say mother, may I?
Stay.
You don't have time to say? Bye, guys. Get the fuck out. I'm just kidding. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Fucking heavy. Having enemies is a sense of habit. So,
My bad.
tell you about the time,
You lock it?
yeah, I think so. I bet on it. Crazy shit. I'm sorry I have to sit back seats. I wish I had two front feet.
Oh, shit. Forgot to take things in the house and put them in water.
Want to put back in the house now?
What are you doing?
Want to put back in the house now? They need water. Or
Yeah.
they need oil. Okay, what do you put in there? Nothing? You need something? No? I'm sorry. I don't want you driving if you don't have your license on you. And don't you want to make some money and sue if you get an accident? I'll make you the richest paraplegic in the world. Hit it, everybody! Fuck you. Ugh. Here. Everything all right? Here, there's no room. Can you get back in? No!
No!
You just got it. If you get it back in within 1 minute, I'll give you $1. Yes, sir. The light was on here. That was the job. It was still on there. No money for you. And get the fuck out. Okay, when I come back in there, the flowers are brought back for you. Because, bait and switch. Did you get it?
What?
Bait and switch?
What about it?
I switched spots.
I know.
Okay. Oh, you want the big money? Got your attention at big money.
Big money.
Big money, honey. Big money?
Big money.
Oh, check that. All right, we're good.
Ready?
Yeah, that's mosey. Get there.
Yeah.
Nice case. Your friends are not going to do it. I'm sorry. Don't talk up. I don't know.